So what we're going to do here is when we start the Velcro, wrap around some surface, okay? So we're going to wrap around this little bitty corner right here. And I'm just going to peel and snip. I'm going to come back over this later with a staple gun to reinforce it about every 12 inches or so. But for now, I'm just going to peel and snip. Now at this corner here, I'm going to cut it about 3 inches long. I'm going to wrap around this corner. Start by wrapping around this corner, overlapping this edge. Now on this one here, even though I'm going to turn the corner here, I'm going to let the Velcro continue on a ways. Because remember, Velcro is hard to pull away from the middle. It's easy. The adhesive would be easier to pull away from the end. It's very difficult to pull away from the middle. So if I extend it a little bit, then I'm turning in at the middle of this Velcro. So I've already put up the Velcro. Now I need to reinforce with a staple gun. Let's go right over here.